Hello everyone, and my name is Aaron, and today we are going to write a Python program to show to find atomic number by putting number of electrons, proton, and neutrons. So first I will give you its output, and then we will write the full code. So first I am giving the showing you the output. So first it is asking for our name. My name Aaron. The number of protons, I will put 5, number of electrons 6, and number of neutrons 5. So it is showing me atomic mass of the molecule is 10, atomic number of molecule is 6, and it is electrically negative, and there is no such molecule present. So now I will find one more molecule, iron, yes, and proton 5, electron 5, neutron 5. Moses molecule. I think I should find. Uh, my name is Erin. 222. Yes. Now you can show me atomic mass is 4. Atomic number is 2. It is electrically neutral. The molecule made by U is helium. So it can find any. So it can find any. I mean that it can tell that which atom is it. For example, if I put 20, 20 is that calcium. So it is find calcium. Calcium has 19 atomic number. So now we'll start with the coding part. So first we will do name is equal to input. What is your name? Print F. F. Okay. Let me go. Okay. Name. Your atomic board is ready. Uh, Float input, enter number of protons. P is equal to float input, enter number of electrons. I will just copy it only. Number of neutrons. eh, And so here AM atomic number is equal to proton plus neutron formula. So print atomic number is A. Print atomic number. Okay, me. Okay, atomic mass. Atomic mass is equal to proton. Atomic mass. Atomic mass is atomic mass. Atomic number is electron only. No, electron is no is atomic number only. So now I will at the main code. If Proton is greater than electron. Print, it is electrically positive. If P is equal to E, print, it is electrically neutral. Else, print, else print, it is electrically negative. Now, if proton is 1, number of protons is equal to 1, and electron is equal to 1, and neutron is equal to 0, print, the molecule made by you is must be hydrogen. Yes, made by you is hydrogen. Aleph. D is equal to 2, and P is equal to 3, and P is equal to 3. P equal to 2, and neutron is equal to 2. Print, a molecule made by is used helium. Now Aleph, P is equal to 3, and E is equal to 3, and the neutron is equal to 4. Then print, the molecule made by you is lithium. So we have to code like this, and then and now I will meet you when I will write the full code. So then I will explain you the full code. Yes, guys. Now I have written the full code, so I will explain you now. Here, name is equal to input with your name. I have written this to ask the name from the user, and print OK name. So it will write OK, the name of person. Atomic boat is ready. You can make your own atom here. So here I will write the number of electrons, proton, and neutrons. Where I have using float. Float. There are three integer, float, and even more. I forgot this name. And this atomic number is proton plus neutron, and the atomic number is number of electron only. So if the proton is greater than electron, then it is electrically positive, and if proton is equal to electron, then it is electrically neutral, and if the electron is greater than proton, then it is electrically negative. So here I've reported that in an atom, if proton is equal to 1, electron is 1, and a neutron is 0, then the molecule is made up of hydrogen. So a proton If proton is 2, electron is 2, and the neutron is 2, then the molecule made by you is helium. And if the proton is 3, and that's go on, it's like this only. And if they show any molecule like this, then it is molecule, and then I've written that there is no such molecule. I have just written till 20. There are many more. So I will meet you in next video. Bye.